Thank you for visiting Career Ladder. In this video, we'll talk about why people should read more. Why should people read more? I am frequently questioned. When I can just watch a video synopsis of a book, why would they bother to read it? Yes, you can save some time by doing this. There is nothing improper about that. However, viewing YouTube videos might help you train your body, since reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. So let's get to the point quickly. Your concentration and focus will increase after reading. Reading may be a kind of meditation, much like jogging or listening to music. Don't be one of the many people who find it difficult to concentrate in today's world of distractions. The typical individual will spend their 5 minutes doing one thing: reading their email, conversing with a few people, and using their smartphone. This kind of activity diminishes our productivity and raises our stress levels. When you read a book, the plot takes up all of your attention. You seal off the outside world and lose yourself in the intricate details you're taking in. You'll be astonished at how much more concentrated you are once you arrive at the workplace if you try reading for 15 to 20 minutes before work. It's also a fantastic way to unwind. Have you ever been so stressed out that you had fleeting thoughts of running away from your life? Surprisingly, you can. A fantastic book may transport you to another dimension without the need for a flight to the other side of the world. Many individuals overthink their issues when all they need is a break to allow their minds to clear and relax before they resume their quest for a solution. So you pick up the stupid book because you're stressed out. Reading is the most effective technique to reduce stress. According to 2009 research, beating out tried and true methods like listening to music, sipping tea or coffee, or even going for a stroll. Evaluated by looking at your heart rate and your muscular tension. Once they began turning pages, the study subjects relaxed in just 6 minutes. Therefore, it's easy to put aside all of your concerns when you become lost in a book. Assuming you aren't being forced to read and aren't reading any dense stuff like legal documents, that is. Scientific research demonstrates that reading genuinely improves intelligence. Your body needs exercise. That implies that reading is the finest mental exercise, since it involves your brain in its motion as well. It requires effort in a neurological sense. Additionally, it needs mental engagement and focus. By keeping your mind active as you age, you can delay the onset of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. As healthful as a morning run is reading. Make the time for it. Additionally, everything you read infuses your brain with fresh knowledge, which you never know when it could be useful. You are better prepared to handle any difficulty you may encounter the more information you possess. Furthermore, if you ever find yourself in a difficult situation, keep in mind that while you could lose everything else, our job, your possessions, your money, even your health, knowledge is something you can never lose. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe Career Ladder for more videos.